Alright, YouTube crew. Here's a fun question. Take a guess, between the two videos we just showed, which one was made with traditional special effects, and which one was AI generated? Go ahead, drop your guesses in the comments below. Let me reveal the answer. Both of them are 100% AI created, and the magic tool behind them is none other than Google's cutting-edge video software, VO3. Today, we're not just talking about how amazing it is, we're gonna walk you through every step, so you can create stunning videos like this too. Let's jump right in. Now, let's move to VO3's homepage. You'll immediately notice how user-friendly it is. Unlike other software with complicated interfaces full of buttons and menus, VO3 keeps it super simple. There's just one main text box right in the center, waiting for your input. No fancy settings to figure out first. All you need to do is type in whatever you want to create, and VO3 will handle the rest. Let's start with something easy, generating a simple image. For this example, our prompt will be, once you've typed that prompt into the text box, just click the Generate button next to it. In just a few seconds, VO3 will turn this description into a clear, vivid image. You'll see the cat curled up comfortably, the green field stretching out. We just generated that adorable static image of the little cat. Now, let's make it move. First, look for the tool toggle below the text box. It's usually labeled Image by default, and click it to switch to Video mode. This tells VO3 we want a dynamic output instead of a still image. Once the cat image is uploaded, go to the text box and type in our prompt. Make the cat in the uploaded image move. Let it wake up slowly, twitch its ears a little, stretch its paws gently, and then look around the field. Keep the sunlight and small flowers in the background as they are, and add soft grass rustling sounds. Then, confirm that the output mode is set to Video. It should be default if you uploaded an image for animation, and click the Generate button. Now, just wait a few minutes for VO3 to process. When it's done, open the video. Look at that. The cat moves just like we described, and it fits perfectly with the original image. Isn't it super lifelike? You can barely tell it's AI generated. And here's a fun extension. We can also let this cute cat laze around in different seasons and weathers. You don't need complicated settings. All you have to do is type different weather-related prompts into the text box, and VO3 will generate the cat in totally new scenes. Let me share 3 ready-to-use prompts for winter, autumn, and summer. You can copy them directly. After generating the static images for each season, you can turn them into videos too. Just follow the exact steps I taught you earlier. Upload the season-specific cat image. Add a prompt about small movements, like, the cat twitches its tail slightly, or, the cat stretches a little. Switch to Video mode, and click Generate. You'll get a dynamic season-themed cat video in no time. Now, let's move on to something even more fun, creating trending photo templates. Recently, a super popular style has been going viral online, turning regular photos into cute, figure style, or toy figure images. The best part, with VO3, you don't need any design skills to do this. Just upload your photo, and VO3 will automatically convert it into this adorable figure style for you. First, find the Upload Photo button on VO3's interface. It's usually prominently displayed, just like the image upload we did earlier. Select a photo you want to convert. This could be a portrait of yourself, a friend, or even a pet. Once the photo finishes uploading, you don't need to tweak complicated style settings. VO3 will recognize the subject automatically. Now, let's move on to something even more fun, creating trending photo templates. Recently, a super popular style has been going viral online, turning regular photos into cute, figure style, or toy figure images. The best part, with VO3, you don't need any design skills to do this. Just upload your photo, and VO3 will automatically convert it into this adorable figure style for you. Next up, let's try another super fun template. This one lets you turn yourself into a superhero in the blink of an eye, the Superman template. Just like the figure style tool, the steps here are super simple, no fancy skills required. First, go back to VO3's homepage. Then look for the Templates section. It's usually on the left side, or below the main text box, and find the Superman template. Click on it to open the dedicated tool. Once the template loads, all you need to do is click the Upload Your Photo button in the center of the screen. Select a clear portrait photo of yourself. A front-facing shot works best, so the template can match your features perfectly, and wait for the photo to finish uploading. You don't need to add extra prompts or adjust settings. VO3 will automatically merge your portrait with the Superman template, adding classic details like the red cape, the iconic S shield on the chest, and even a dynamic superhero-style background, think city skies or cloudscapes, to make the look more authentic. In just a couple of minutes, your Superman-style image will be ready. Open it up, and you'll see yourself transformed into a cool superhero, ready to save the day. It's a fun way to create eye-catching content for social media, or just share a playful photo with friends. Now, let's step up the difficulty a bit. Let's create a shot that has that Hollywood-level visual effect. You might think this requires professional editing skills, but with VO3, as long as we write a detailed enough prompt, we can get that blockbuster vibe. The key here is to include specific elements like lighting, camera angles, and dynamic details that make Hollywood shots stand out. Let's start with a classic sci-fi action scene as an example. Here's the prompt we'll use. And that's a wrap on today's VO3 tutorial. We went from the basics, generating cute cat images and videos in different seasons, to fun templates like figure-style photos and Superman transformations, and even stepped up to creating Hollywood-level special effects shots. I hope every step was clear and helpful for you. Now it's your turn to play around with VO3. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts, templates, or settings. Whether it's a silly pet video, a cool superhero portrait, or a blockbuster-worthy scene, I'm super excited to see what amazing creations you'll come up with. If you share your work on social media, feel free to tag me. I'd love to check them out. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.